The NVC has a 4-digit LED display, indicator lights for each parameter, and 4 buttons to navigate the parameters and change values. Up and down will move between parameters or change a parameter value. In some cases, it will move between menu items within a parameter. Back will exit out of a parameter or cancel a change. Select will choose a parameter or accept a change. To access the parameter list, press down. Use up or down to move to the parameter you want to change. Let's start with the open-close parameter, which is for the curtain, as indicated on the display. This parameter will choose auto or manual override for the curtain. Press select to enter the parameter, and the open and close lights will flash. This indicates you are in the menu for that parameter. Press down to move between the two menu items, auto or override. Press select on override and the display shows the current state of idle. In this menu, the down and up buttons now act as open and close. To open the curtain, press down, or to close the curtain, press up. Pressing the buttons a second time will stop the curtain. Once the curtain is at the desired position, press select to accept the change. Press back to exit the menu, and you'll notice the open and close lights will blink 3 times in succession and repeat to indicate the curtain is in manual override mode. To return the curtain to auto mode, press down to access the parameter list and select the curtain parameter. Press down to change to auto and press select to accept the change. Press back to exit and you will see the open and close lights are not blinking, indicating automatic operation mode. This method is also used for overriding the heater. Press down until heat is displayed and press select. Press down to move to override and press select. Press down to choose on or off. For this example, I'll choose off and press select to accept it. Press back to exit the parameter list and the heat light will blink and turn off for 1 second. This indicates the heater is off and in manual override. Turn the heater on in manual override by pressing down until heat is displayed. Press select twice to choose heat and override. Press down and select to choose on. Press back to exit and the heat light will blink and stay on for 1 second. This indicates the heater is on and in manual override. To test the alarm relay, press down until you reach alarm and press select. Press down to toggle the alarm relay between on and off. Use this to test the connections to the alarm system. Understand that this is only a test and does not enable or disable the alarms. Press back to exit and return to the parameter list. This will return the alarm relay to normal operation. Press down until you reach test and press select. Press down to move between the two menu items, temperature test and factory defaults. Temperature test will test the settings by simulating a change in temperature, and factory defaults will erase all settings and reset them to default. Press select on temp and the test light will flash to indicate it is in temperature test mode. Press up and down to simulate a change in temperature and the NVC will respond according to the settings. Press back to exit temperature test mode. To reset settings to factory defaults, press down and select. Press down to change to yes and press select to accept. Press down until you reach version and press select. The first item is display. Press select to show the NVC version. Press back to return to the version menu, then press down to go to the second line, update. This will update the NVC to a new version stored on a USB memory stick. Download the latest NVC update file from the support section of our website at phason.ca. Be sure your USB memory stick is formatted with the Windows FAT32 file system. Consult the NVC manual on how to format your USB stick. To update the NVC, take your USB memory stick containing the latest NVC update file and insert it into the USB port on the back of the faceplate. Select Update, press down to change to Yes, and hold down Select until the test light blinks rapidly. Release the button and the NVC is now updating and will take a few minutes to finish. Once complete, the NVC will reset and show the new version number. Another way of updating is the power off method. With the NVC powered off, hold down Select and turn the power on. You will likely need a second person to turn on the power at a breaker while you hold down the Select button. Release the button once the test light flashes rapidly. Once the update is complete, the NVC will reset and show the new version number. After updating, don't forget to remove the USB stick.